Okay, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Just a real quick one today because you know what? There's not a damn thing to do. The market's kind of rolling, not kind of rolling over. It's been rolling over for a while. We're seeing a lot of this. We're seeing a lot of this. We're seeing a lot of this. It's just kind of an ugly deal out there. So you kind of have to embrace the ugly, but that doesn't mean you have to stay out on the date. You can get out of that anytime you want. One stock that had been looking like it was okay was Meta here. Yesterday it had a not a good close at all. You kind of knew what was going to happen, but it was looking okay. But what was really doing was it was just lagging to the downside. Like so many others were a lot weaker, and Meta was just kind of the last of the Mohicans as far as these things that are going down. Google still hanging in there okay, but this isn't a chart for me. I don't see any good charts, frankly, right now. I see a lot of maybes in the future, but nothing now. And so this is the gist of this video. Cash is a good thing to have as long as you have it for a short term. Like long term, if I pause this video for about 15 seconds, I would tell you that you've just lost money in cash. Yes, it's the dollar's not a good thing, but better than stocks right now. So my suggestion is you get out of stocks, be opportunistic, wait for your opportunity. I went into a little more detail in the strategy session for members and talking about being the lion as opposed to the gazelle. We've had a nice meal during the first quarter of this year. Now it's time to laze around in the shade, take a little nappy nap, get rested up, digest the last meal that you had, and wait for the next herd of gazelles to cruise by. Then go out and get your next meal. But for right now, it's time to rest, not to hunt. Okay. That's all I got for you. Hope you guys are having a great day, an awesome weekend in the future, and let's go back and get them on Monday. Okay. All right. See you then.